think I'm ready now.
Ready now?
Yeah, looks better, right?
Alright, cool. I'm gonna take North Conduit and I'll see you over there.
Alright, I'm just gonna fly by.
Alright, cool.
Alright, man, see you in a bit.
They were retarded kids from the heart of Brooklyn who scammed the world. 76 Black Drones were a talentless act with no fans and no future. But they found a voice in a pair of sunglasses. Some critics called it exploitation of the family name. Some called it a breath of fresh air. His music and message were overshadowed by a crazy stalker bitch. And the near exposure of the fraudulence of Benny Kravitz. And now, the roller coaster ride of a talentless band, 76 Black Drones. A peek into the music.
Hey, no, I'm selling candy for a chess team. It's for a good cause. Like, it's not even for me. It's for my chess team. It's for my chess team. Oh, that's my shit right there. Oh. Oh.
Hi, this is Paula Peak, and I'm coming to you live from Long Island City. I'm standing outside Roxy Studios, where 76 Black Drones is now starting a cult. I am the only one here to uncover this story. You'll see behind me, behind all the crowds and all the other investigative reporters, well, I'm standing here at least, and I've caught this story. You'll see Everton going into Roxy Studios, holding something. I don't know what it is, but I guarantee you, I will find out. They are starting a new endeavor. They are going to be bilking the public out of millions of dollars. Though if I know these retards, it'll only be hundreds of dollars.
Now you will suffer one last time.
Oh, wait.
Cat fair.
Even though the Joes were right behind him too. That's Joe knew. And that's a lesson, folks. Always know Jesus is right behind you. You want your own personal Jesus as well. You gotta send that money.
Send that money, honey.
You gotta send that money. All proceeds go to Jesus. Send it. I'm gonna get my ass kicked for you. You know? And it wasn't like a regular ass kicking where it was like,
They got fucked up.
it was the whooping of a lifetime. And you can't cover that up with makeup. That's not like cosmetics and be like, oh, you can't go to my store and like, hey, can you fix his hole?
No Neosporin, none of that's for Jesus' record label.
Yo, Jesus got an album. Jesus, kick for me, I said, Jesus, kick for me, I said, Jesus.
Sit here, you know, count down money.
Alright, man, praise the Lord.
God damn it! Oh, fuck me! God damn it! Get back here!
Elizabeth, don't make the mashed potatoes cold because I'm gonna get the bushwhackers and we gotta pull a tree. Oh yeah, Macho.
your woman.
Unless you want some of this, you know, we are clear.
Dig it.
Pass me the bill. Pass me the bill. Motherfuck some
What?
money.
I can't hear you. What?
Get your bitch asses in here. Let me fuck you up. Macho.
Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go.
Do 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 do.